It has been great fun collaborating with Riitta, who's an amazing animator, to produce a short animation about my research. I think it's important for a wider audience to see the need for research in this area, as many I've spoken to are familiar with the use of fossil fuels for energy and plastics and the resultant pollution and global warming, but do not realize that a lot of the products they use day to day, from the surfactants of detergents and soaps to pharmaceutical drugs, are all derived from petroleum and fossil fuels. In fact, according to a report from the IEA, the International Energy Agency, the chemical industry is the highest industrial consumer of oil and gas. I learnt a lot trying to form a simple overview of my research and communicate the information in an accessible way to an audience with little scientific background. Rita and I had many enjoyable conversations about the science and how it works. Though it's difficult to communicate everything we do in a short time frame, I hope the animation will set the context of the research, stimulate interest in research and students, as well as be a starting point for wider discussion among all ages and backgrounds.
It has been an enjoyable process to collaborate as an animator with Kavi Shah on Harnessing Evolution short film based on his research. I have learned a lot and would definitely like to keep on following the advancement of bioproduction. The challenge for me on this project was to understand Kavi's research. You need to know the basics of the theory of evolution and how fossil fuels contain the molecules they do, which are already by themselves huge topics. So there was a lot of material tried to compress into a 2-minute short film. The other challenge was that I had to do an extensive research on how many things look like. For example, various plants in Jurassic period, oil processing plants, automated lab equipment, and so forth. All the images in the film were drawn by me, and a lot of them were animated on paper and then composited on the computer. I hope you enjoyed the film and will start researching as well on this hugely important topic.